Baby got wild on these same streets. Nah, 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 nah. But I'm still running, nobody catch me. Nah, 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 nah. Yeah, move with it. Move with it, move with it. Move with it, move with it. That adrenaline pumping through me. Nah, 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 nah. Takes me higher, sets me free. Yeah, move with it. Move with it, move with it. Move with it, move with it. Move with it, move with it.
Mahal, hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin nagbabago yung nararamdaman ko sa'yo. Hanggang ngayon, mahal na mahal na mahal pa rin kita at araw-araw yun nabubulol na ako, sir. Kinakabahan ako eh. Kinakabahan na, sobrang excited.
This is my sacred vow to you. Salamat kasi hindi ka sumuko. Salamat kasi lumaban at nagantay ka hanggang sa araw nito.
All the money I would make couldn't buy what you deserve. So let me guard you with my heart.
Ilang araw na lang, bagong taon. Sa inyo, bagong kabanata ng inyong
Feel how small we are, but look how far we've come. Would you look at love? Would you look at love? We can look up at the stars, feel how small we are, but look how far we've come. Would you look at love? Then I thought that maybe I should run and pray you find a better one. But he wouldn't kiss you near as much as you like it. Then I thought that maybe I should hide, but I know it's just my stupid pride. Cause you always seem to read my mind.
Oh, you're so pretty! Ang ganda!
Yun lang ang hinihiling ko, yung makakasama mo, yung magmamahal sa'yo na malaking blessing sa ating pamilya dahil binigay ni Lord yung para sa iyo sa buhay mo. No? Salamat sa kabutihan mo, anak. Salamat sa pagmamahal mo sa pamilya mo, sa mga kapatid mo. Maraming salamat, anak.
Would you look at love? We can look up at the stars, feel how small we are, but look how far we've come. Would you look at love?
I remember years ago, sabi ko kay Lord na kung bibigyan niya ako ng makakaparehas sa buhay, bigyan niya ako ng responsable at yung tipong mahal at re-respetuhin ako. Then you came. From the very start na nakilala natin ang isa't isa, I knew it was you. Grabe si Lord, ang bait niya talaga. Higit pa sa hiniling ko ang binigay niya sa akin. Dami kong pinagdaanan sa buhay.
I was so lost before until you came. Truly God bless the broken road that led me straight to you.
That God bless the broken road that led me straight to you. And now I'm just a rolling home into my lover's arms. And this much I know is true. That God bless the broken road that led me straight to you.
Mahal ko. This is it, the moment that we've been both waiting for. Who would have thought that a perfect stranger na nakilala ko lang sa social media is going to be my husband today?
Natatandaan mo pa ba nung manliligaw pa lang ako sa'yo? Pinakita ko sa'yo yung birth certificate ko at passport ko para lang maniwala ka na single ako. Sabi ko kapag malapit na tayong ikasal, at ito nga, walang imposible sa Panginoon, basta magtiwala ka.
It was you when we first met us. It was you in the city lights. It was you when I almost lost control. It was you through the dark.
Daryl James at Princess, bagong yugto, bagong kabanata ng inyong buhay. Wherein, for the rest of your life, you will live as husband and wife.
So let the doors just open wide, 'cause standing there is my whole life. I've waited long enough to finally say I do. And let the people on both sides see you there in all the right.
Naiyak lang. Well, naiyak lang eh.
It's always been you.
Salamat ng madami, inay, tatay, sa pagpapalaki sa akin. Sa inyong pagtataguyod sa aming magkakapatid. Salamat ng madami.
Inay, itay, ate, at mga kuya. Pangako ko din po sa inyo na mamahalin ko ang bunso ninyo gaya ng pagmamahal niyo sa kanya. Aalagaan ko siya gaya ng pag-aalaga na ginawa niyo sa kanya. Mahal ko. I love you. I love you with the love of the Lord.
So let the doors just open wide, 'cause standing there is my whole life. I've waited long enough to finally say I do. And let the people on both sides see you there in all the rise, to see us hand in hand. I swear I always knew it's always been you. It's always been you. So let the doors just open wide, 'cause standing there is my whole life. I've waited long enough to finally say I do. It's always been you.